So the distance clearly is 4 minus 0 whole square minus 2 minus 0 whole square using the distance formula. So since the standard equation lies like this and all these points are on the circle, we can take the value of x and y as 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1. So if 0, 0 is on the circle, then x and y should be taken as 0. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In this session, we are going to revise the chapter Circles. So here in this session, we are going to discuss on 1 mark, 2 marks, 5 or 6 mark question. So the distribution of the marks from this chapter will be like this. So either you will get one 1 mark question or one 6 marks question. So in total 7 marks, or you will get one 2 marks and one 5 mark question. So 7 marks. So generally you will get 7 marks from the chapter. So either it will be in the form of 1 plus 6 or it will be in the form of 2 plus 5. So let's see these questions now. So 1 mark questions. Find the equation of a circle with center minus 1, minus 2 and r is equal to 5 centimeters. So we know the general equation of the circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So the center is given in the form of h comma k and r is given there, that is 5 square. So h value is minus 1 here. So this becomes minus 1 means plus 1 whole square and y value is minus 2 which becomes y plus 2 whole square. R value is 5, 5 square is 25. So this is the equation. Next, if x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus k is equal to 0 represents a point circle, find k. We know that r square is g square plus f square minus c. The center of the standard equation of the circle is minus g comma minus f and the last one c is a constant. So here the general equation is x square y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We know that for a point circle the radius is 0. So this quantity is 0 now. Now here we have 2g is equal to minus 4. So g will be minus 2. Similarly, 2f is equal to minus 8. So f will be minus 4 and value of c is k here. So let's write here. So g is minus 2 whole square minus 4 whole square minus k. Let me shift k here, then it becomes plus k, 4 plus 16. So the value of k is equal to 20. Next, find the center of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So the general equation goes like this, x square plus y square 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So the center is minus g comma minus f. So therefore here 2g is equal to minus 4 implies g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to minus 1 we have because in the place of 2f we have minus 1. So f will be minus 1 by 2. G is minus 2. So therefore center is minus g, that is minus of minus 2, 2. F is minus 1 by 2. So minus f is 1 by 2. So therefore the center of the circle is 2 comma 1 by 2. Next, let's see the 2 marks question. Find the equation of the circle whose end points of a diameter are 3 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 5. So we know that whenever the 2 points, ends points of the diameter are given, the equation of the circle is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to 0. So now let's take x1, y1 as 3 and 4, x2, y2 as 2 and 5. So x minus 3 and we have x minus 2 here plus. Next we have y minus 4 and y minus of minus 5 is y plus 5 is equal to 0. So here we get x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 plus y square minus 4y plus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. So we have x square plus y square minus 5x we will get the sum of these two, and the sum of these two will be plus y. 6 minus 20 we have minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle required. Next, find the equation of circle whose center is at 4, minus 2 and passing through the origin 0, 0. So here we have a circle. So the center is given, that is 4, minus 2. So and it is passing through the origin 0, 0. Somewhere here it is, the point is 0, 0. So by finding the radius, we can directly write the equation of the circle. So the distance clearly is 4 minus 0 whole square minus 2 minus 0 whole square using the distance formula. So that is r square, we can write it as 4 minus 0 whole square, that is 4 square minus 2 whole square. So 16 plus 4, it is 20. And the center h, k is given. The general equation can be written as x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to r square, that is 20. So like this also you can solve, or by using x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So here you need to take g as minus 4, f as plus 2, c you need to find out using the relation because you have r, g and f. So better you take the first method and expand it. Next, find the equation of a circle whose center is same as the circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2, minus 1. So let us see the center of the circle. So minus g, minus f. So clearly here 2g is equal to 6. So g is equal to 3. So minus g will be minus 3. 2f is equal to 2. F will be 1. So minus f will be minus 1. Now here is the center, minus 3, minus 1. And it is passing through minus 2, minus 1. Somewhere here, minus 2, minus 1. So now we need to find the equation of the circle. Let us apply the distance formula to find the radius. That is r square we will take. x2 minus x1 whole square, that is minus 3 plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is minus 1 plus 1 whole square. So clearly we can see here r square is equal to 1. Now the center is given. Let us take it in the form of h, k, or you can take it in the form of minus g, minus f also. So if I take it in the form of h, k, then it is x minus h, which becomes plus 3 whole square, y minus k, that is y plus 1 whole square is equal to r square 1. So if you expand this, you will get the equation as x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y is equal to 1. Either side you can cancel 1. We will get x square plus 6x plus y square plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. So, which is the required equation of the circle. Next, Find the length of the chord of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 and the coordinate axis. So the coordinate axis x-intercept is given by 2 square root of g square minus c and y-intercept is given by 2 square root of f square minus c. Now from the equation we have 2g is equal to minus 6. So g is equal to minus 3. 2f is equal to minus 4. So f is equal to minus 2 and the value of c is equal to minus 12. So let us substitute here. So 2g square, which is g square is 9, minus of minus 12 is plus 12. 2 will get it as 2 root 12 plus 9 is 21. So 2 root 21. And here we have 2 square root. F square is minus 2 whole square 4 minus 12 plus 12 which become 2 root 16. So root 16 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Next question. Let's see the 5 or 6 mark question. So the 5 mark question will be on framing the equation of circle and 6 marks will be proving the concyclic of the points. So find the equation of a circle passing through the points 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, minus 1. We know the general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So since the standard equation lies like this and all these points are on the circle, we can take the value of x and y as 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1. So taking different point here, when you take x as 5, y as 3, we'll get it as 25 plus 9 plus 2 5s are 10g plus 3 2s are 6f plus c is equal to 0. So that is we'll get 25 plus 9 as 34. So we'll get 10g plus 6f plus c plus 34 is equal to 0. Let's take this as equation 1. Now taking 1, 5 we'll get 1 plus 25 plus 2 into 1 2g plus 2fy, that is y value we'll take it as 5, 10f plus c is equal to 0. So we'll get this as 2g plus 10f plus c plus 26 is equal to 0. Take this as equation 2. Now let's take it for 3, minus 1. So 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1 plus 2gx, that is 6g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0, or we'll get 6g minus 2f plus c plus 10 is equal to 0. Take this as equation 3. Now observe equation 1, 2 as well as 3. So subtract simultaneously any two of the equation. So let us take equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So this implies 10g minus 2g, 8g. 6f minus 10f minus 4f. C minus c get cancels. 34 minus 26. We'll get it as plus 8 is equal to 0. So similarly, we can take equation 3 minus equation 2. So 6g minus 2g is 4g. Minus 2f minus 10f is minus 12f. Plus c minus c get cancelled. 10 minus 26, you will get it as minus 16 is equal to 0. Now here on simplification, dividing throughout by 4, we will get this as 2g minus f plus 2 is equal to 0. Let me take this as equation 5. Here also on simplification, we will get g minus 3f minus 4 is equal to 0. So let's take this as equation 4. Here also on simplification and dividing by 4, we'll get g minus 3f minus 4 is equal to 0. That is equation 5. Now observe here. So you don't have any common terms to multiply. So let me take equation 4 as it is. That is 2g minus f plus 2 is equal to 0. Now I'll multiply 2 to this equation. So then it becomes 2g minus 6f minus 8 is equal to 0. Let us subtract, change the sign, plus, plus. This get cancels. F and 6f, here it is 5f plus 10 is equal to 0. So this implies f is equal to minus 10. So f is equal to minus 2. Now let us substitute f is equal to minus 2 in equation 4. Then you will get 2g plus 2 is equal to 0. That is according to equation 4. So you will get 2g plus 4 is equal to 0. G is equal to minus 2. Now you have f is equal to minus 2, g is equal to minus 2. Substitute in any one of the equations given. So let's take equation 2 now. So equation 2 implies 2g, that is 2 into minus 2, minus 4, plus 10f, 10 into minus 2, minus 20 we'll get. Next we have c plus 26 is equal to 0, plus c plus 26 is equal to 0. So here we have minus 24 plus c plus 26 is equal to 0, or c plus 24 to 0. So c is also equal to minus 2. Now we have all the three terms g, f and c. So therefore let us form the standard equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx. 2 into g is minus 4. So minus 4x minus 4y plus c. The value of c is minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle. So by framing the linear equations, you can solve and find the three constants and then substitute in the standard form. You will get the standard equation of the required circle. Next question we have. Find the equation of the circle passing through the point 0, 5 and 6, 1 and has its center on the line 12x plus 5y plus 12x plus 5y is equal to 25. Since the circle is passing through 2 points here, let's take the points and substitute in the general equation. So we know the general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Since the point is on the circle, we'll take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. So 0, 25, 0, 10f plus c is equal to 0. So here we'll get 25 and here we have 10f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. Let's take this as equation 1. The second one is 6, 1. So we will get this as 6 square, that is 36 plus 1 plus 12g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So we'll get 12g plus 2f plus c plus 37 is equal to 0. Let's take this as equation 2. Now since the center is passing through this circle, we can take x as minus g. Now since the center is passing through the line x comma y, that is minus g comma minus y is on this line. So we can take x as minus g, y as minus f. So then the equation becomes minus 12g minus 5y is equal to 25. Or we get this as 12g plus 5y plus 25 is equal to 0. Take this as equation 3. So as we have solved the simultaneous linear equation in the previous problem, the same method we will use, and on solving this, we will get the value of g as minus 5 by 3, f as minus 1 and c as minus 15. So once you get all the three constants, substitute to the standard equation. So then the equation becomes x square plus y square plus 2g, that is minus 5 by 3x plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If you want to remove the fraction here, multiply 3 to the whole equation. So we will get this as 3x square plus 3y square minus 10x. So 3 multiplying means minus 6y minus 45 is equal to 0. So this is the standard equation of the required circle. Next. So very important problem for 6 marks. You can expect the concyclic questions on 6 marks. Show that the points 0, 0, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 3 and 2, minus 4 are concyclic. So here let's take the 3 points and we will find the equation of the circle. Then let us substitute this point so that if it lies on the circle, then my equation should become 0. If all these conditions are satisfied, then obviously the points are concyclic. Now we know the standard equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So if 0, 0 is on the circle, then x and y should be taken as 0. So then x 0, y 0, 0, 0. So from this term, we will get c is equal to 0. Next, we will take 3, minus 1. So we will get 9 plus 1 plus 2 3s are 6g, 2 into minus 1, minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. From this, we have got c is equal to 0. So we are left with 6g minus 2f plus 10 is equal to 0. Let's take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Next, we have 3, minus 3. So 3, minus 3 means 9 plus 9 plus 6g minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. So we are left with 6g minus 6f plus 18, c value is 0. So let's take this as equation 3. Now let us subtract 3 and 2, or we can subtract 2 and 3. 2 minus 3 will give you 6g minus 6g is 0, minus 2f, minus of minus 6f means plus 6f, which we will get it as 4f. Next we have 10 minus 18, so we will get minus 8 is equal to 0. So from this we will get f is equal to 2 clearly. Now substituting f is equal to 2 in equation 2 or 3, any one. Let me take equation 2 here. We have 6g minus 2f. So 2 2s are 4 plus 10 is equal to 0. So 6g plus 6 is equal to 0. G is equal to minus 1. Now let's see the standard equation. We have g, f and c. Substituting, we get x square plus y square minus 2, g is minus 1, so we'll get minus 2x plus 2fy, 4y, c value is 0, so therefore is equal to 0. Now this is the required equation of the circle. We have assumed that these 3 points lies on the circle. Now let's see the fourth point. If fourth point lies on the circle, then when you substitute the value of x and y, my result should obey the value 0. So if 2, minus 4 lies on circle, then we have, let's see whether we'll get the equation as 0. Then we have put x square as 2 square, which is 4, plus put y square as minus 4 whole square, which is 16, minus we have 2x, 2 into 2, 4. Next we have 4y. So 4 into minus 4, minus 16. So clearly you can see plus 4, minus 4, 16 and minus 16 is equal to 0. Yes, we are getting the value as 0. So therefore the points are concyclic. So concyclic means the points lies on the circle. So from the problem, we have got that these points are concyclic. So these are all the few questions you can expect from this chapter. We'll meet you in the next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.